Hey everyone. Today, I'm sharing something exciting, how crypto mining has become a game changer for me. I started mining with One Miners, and it's been an incredible journey. Let me show you why I chose One Miners as my go-to hosting service and how it's changed my life. So, what's One Miners all about? In a nutshell, they offer a top-notch hosting service for crypto mining. The best part? The earnings. I've been tracking my progress, and it's way more than I expected. You know what's crazy? I'm making more with One Miners than I do in my weekly salary. That's why I keep my daily job, but One Miners has become my ultimate side hustle, and trust me, it's definitely worth it. I researched various mining hosting services and inquired about their offerings. While some provide excellent service, their fees are quite high. Since I'm using my savings to invest, I needed a more affordable option. That's when I came across a post in a forum mentioning One Miners. Let's dive into the dashboard. Here's my hash rate, ROI estimation, and, this is my favorite part, my total estimated earnings. As you can see, the numbers speak for themselves. The transparency and ease of use with One Miners are unmatched. This is the sample computation of my energy bills for 1 month. I have 4 workers and it costs me $6.86. I want to pay 1 month of it, so my total bill is $205.73. Another good thing about One Miners, they offer low energy fees and high hash rates. Super affordable and 99.98% uptime guaranteed. One Miners always amazed me in every way. I'm always stressed and thinking about how I am going to double my earnings before, but One Miners got my back. Sometimes, I encounter errors when paying my energy bills, but maybe because of the system updates, but after that, my funds are still safe. The customer service is getting hard to reach, but luckily they provide instruction videos on their social media accounts, and they also share tips about crypto mining. You should check their accounts. I will drop it in the comment. If you're thinking about diving into crypto mining, I highly recommend One Miners. Since I started, my earnings have skyrocketed. I've been able to invest in other areas, and the future looks bright. If you want a reliable partner in your mining journey, One Miners is the way to go. One Miners is a reliable and user-friendly crypto mining hosting service, ideal for both beginners and seasoned miners. It offers high transparency with detailed dashboards, low energy fees, and a 99.98% uptime guarantee. The platform is affordable, with comprehensive support, including instructional videos for newcomers. However, users should be aware of market volatility and consider the initial hardware investment. Overall, One Miners is a solid choice for those looking to maximize their mining profits with minimal hassle. That's it for today's vlog. Click the like and share button and watch out for more crypto content.